My name is Corey Hennick, and I work for Southland Floors, Inc. in Pompano Beach, Florida. We've been around since 1974. The family roots into the flooring business go back to 1923 in New York, but as far as operating in Florida, we've been around for 45 years. Family-owned and operated company. I'm fourth generation in the business, and there are a few other young managers there. We are strictly wholesale. We do not do any sort of retail. We're not open to the public. We do not do labor. Our needs are, strictly we bring in product, we private label it, and we ship it out. Mainly, we have a truckload of material come in every day, and we ship out a truckload of material every day. And we stock basically every sort of type of flooring, with the exception of ceramic tile. We are a full-fledged floor covering supplier. We stock the most carpet in the state of Florida. Prior to QFloors, we were using a very old system running on Unitracks. And everyone says that they can handle distribution, but that's not always the case. But with QFloors, we found out that one, it's family owned and operated. We do prefer to work with owner operators because that's what we are. Owner operators tend to care more about their customers and a little more nimble when it comes to solving problems. And the main thing was QFloors seemed to fit our needs for what we really need to do to operate our current business. It wasn't a huge leap from our current day-to-day operations on the old system. So overall, the transition has gone very smoothly. The biggest advantage that I've seen is the almost seamless transition between sales orders, material, actual physical material, the inventory list, connecting that inventory with our purchase orders that we make with our vendors, being able to quickly pull up a payment history and things of that nature. Compared to our old system, it was one menu screen after another. But with QFloors, it's a few different tabs, but it's almost a seamless transition. So I think that's the biggest thing, is the fact that we don't have to go digging through crates to find certain material. If I need to know what a die lot was used on a previous project, I'm two clicks away from finding that out. Where on my previous software, I was several steps away, and it was more time consuming. I just want to say I'm happy that we decided to go with QFloors because, once again, owner operators, I think, do make the best companies overall. And I think service is key. I think Southland Floors will be around for a long time because we pride ourselves on service. And I think the same thing of QFloors. My goal with QFloors is that we're going to have a long-term relationship. We look for long-term relationships, and I think with QFloors, I think we found that relationship.